got a knob that won't tighten up all the way, and it's tightened all the way, but it's all the way through, but it won't tighten up all the way.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, I've got a knob that won't tighten up all the way, and it's tightened all the way, but it's all the way through, but it won't tighten up all the way. And since I was going to restain this, thought I'd show you. So I'm just holding it with the Phillips side and screwing it. What we want to do is add a washer to the back side. And just the thing in my little tool bag. Got a giant one, I've got a little bit smaller one. This one should work just right.
It has a 1/4 inch hole.
And because it's inside, won't see it too much. So we got on this side. Now, it's going to tighten up nice and strong.
This one was a 1-inch washer with a 1/4 inch hole.
Much better. This side's okay, so I can just tighten this one up a little bit if it needed to. Could add a washer, but this one I didn't need to. Maybe the screw was replaced at some point. Not sure what the story is there. But just a little washer inside makes it all that much better. It's a done deal. This one we're refinishing the top, so you might check the video on refinishing
An end table.
if you're interested.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Lord's my shepherd, I shall not go without. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. Leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow